The hospital was inaugurated in 1889 and only remains the main facade and part of the courtyard. The building construction was commanded by Claudio López y López, the first Marquis of Comillas brother, to house sick and old people. It was designed by the architect Cristóbal Cascante, and it was built between 1885 and 1888 in modernist style by the builder, Plácido Díaz de la Campa. Its structure reminds of the Sobrellano Palace by Joan Martorell. Claudio López and Benita Díaz de Quijano were the promoters of the work, defraying all expenses. In the main hall, currently a residential home for elderly run by Las Hijas de San José, stands a bust of Claudio López y López, a work by the sculptor Agapito Valmillana, 1888. The original plans were lost and the building has been deeply distorted. On the facade of the building a step, porch and traditional wooden gallery where it is located a chapel dedicated to Nuestra Señora del Carmen.